how to delete Red AI account permanently. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Red AI account permanently. So to get started, go ahead and open Red AI into your browser and then make sure that you're signed in to your Red AI account. So once you're on your Red AI account, go ahead and click on your display name at the bottom left and then click on account settings. Now from here, go ahead and select advanced under account settings. So once you click on this advanced button, you'll be able to find more settings for your account on Red AI. So you need to basically click on that advanced button, and then once you're on the advanced tab, go ahead and scroll down at the bottom and you'll be able to find this delete my account button to delete your account. So once you click on this, you need to confirm this by answering the survey first and then clicking on this delete account button to proceed on deleting your account. So take note that this deletion is final and there is no way to recover your account or report data if you chose to continue this action. So make sure to back up the information that you have on Red AI first before you proceed on deleting your account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.